What's up YouTube? Welcome to Agarwal Bros. I am Akshat and in today's video I'm gonna tell you a super cool way with which you can make $100 every day over and over again. It's very simple and easy method. Anybody can do it from anywhere. It will take you around 1 hour, or if you get good at it, it's gonna take you less than that, and it's 100% free method. So watch this video till the very end to know each and every step so that you can earn $100 per day every day. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel Agarwal Bros and browse through the collection of videos that I have on my channel. I tell people about how to make money, for example, how to make $25 over and over again, how to earn money from WhatsApp, how to make $9 in 15 minutes, how to make $50 for one photo, etc. etc. There are lots of videos out there, so you can just go on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and watch those videos. Okay, so now let's jump over to the method. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a site called remove.bg. So this site is super awesome. What this site does is it removes the background of a particular image, and it's 100% free. It does that in 5 seconds automatically without you doing anything else. So it's for those people who have problem learning Photoshop and do not have Photoshop skills, and they're wondering how we can remove background of any image. This is the site for you people. So you can come over to the site, remove the background of any particular image. So now you may be wondering, okay, if I can remove the image of a background, then how is it gonna help me? How am I gonna make money out of it? So just stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you each and everything. Watch this video till the very end. So say for example, we download a video for example purpose. I would recommend you this site. This site is called pexels.com. So this is a very good site. You can get stock free photos here. I have already downloaded one photo. So uh, you know let's talk about this. First of all, we will download a photo, and then what we're gonna do is we are gonna sell them on Fiverr. So this Fiverr is a site where we can offer a gig. So as you can see, I have opened one gig here which says I will do any 1000 images background removal. And this guy is charging $5 for 10 plus images. This is his basic package. The standard package is background removal 500 plus images. He is charging $50 for this, and for 1000 images he is charging $100. So 1000 images can seem a lot, but if you do this continuously, you will reach a point where this will be just a piece of cake, and you will be able to do it very easily. So this person is offering this kind of gig. Now what I would recommend is that you should watch my videos on Fiverr to learn how you can actually uh, sell on Fiverr, because selling on Fiverr is an art, and you need to learn it before you make a gig on Fiverr. So certain basic things that I would recommend you is that you need to create multiple gigs. One gig is not gonna do anything. You need to create different gigs. And so for example, you create one for image background removal. Then if you look here, uh, it says I will do jewelry retouching, editing, background removing. So you can make one gig like this. And um, I will retouch product and remove background complex image. You can do this kind of gig. So make at least 5 to 10 gigs, and then start with your Fiverr journey. So this is one tip. Another tip is that you need to type your main keyword here. Say for example background removal. So this will throw up various searches. It says photo background removal, Photoshop editing, background removal super fast. So these are actual things which people are searching. So you should include these things in your description, in your tags, in your photos. Okay, so this is one way to do SEO on Fiverr. And if you want to learn more, then you can watch my Fiverr videos where I have taught how to maximize your exposure on Fiverr. So you do something for free and then you come over to the site and sell the gig out here. So this is the simple method. Now let's head back over to this site. Say for example I select a photo. Okay, so I click on this button and then let's say I select one particular photo. Okay, I downloaded that photo for this particular purpose. I select this one up and let it load. So the photo is loading, and this is very simple, guys. It does not take much of your time. See, it is done 100% processing. Now it's gonna show me my image. So it's opening original image. This is my original image, and this is image without background. So as you can see, it has done a very nice job of removing the background. Now you can also play around with this. You need to click on edit, so it will load your image, and it will also load different options. So for example, if you click over here, you're gonna get this kind of background removal. As you can see, rest of the thing has been blurred out. Or if you click over here, then it's gonna give you this kind of background. Similarly, if you click over, say for example here, it's gonna give you this kind of background. You can also choose color over here, so this will give you colored backgrounds. This looks cool. It's very simple and very easy editing. And if you want to restore something, then you need to come over here and then you need to click over restore. If you want your sign, for example, you know you can also select the brush size. Currently brush size is this much. You can shorten it. If you want to write your name, you can write your name also. a a I'm not that good, so this is just one way of doing things. Okay, so you can even write your name and do lot of editing with this simple free software. So it's pretty cool. So and then you need to just download the image, and you need to head over to Fiverr, create a gig like this, and sell your gig, and use the promotion techniques that I have illustrated in my Fiverr videos. I will give link of those videos in my description. So this is one way with which you can earn good amount of money. At first you are not gonna earn $100 per day, but slowly and eventually you're gonna reach there. At first, even if you earn $5 with this service, sorry, $10, five or $10 with this service, that's still 100% return on your investment. The only investment is time. So try out this method. This method is trending. You can go through all these gigs out here and see what they are offering. Create a similar gig with multiple gigs. Do a bit of SEO, and you're good to go. So this was it for the today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please head over to my channel Agarwal Bros and subscribe to my channel. And you can also watch other videos that I have on my channel. So I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Bye bye.